Ami Bir, I leave this place before the letter reaches you. I have my own plans for the future, and they shall be a secret. Hey Gurudeva. Suppose some disinterested sannyasis, bent on doing good to others, go from village to village, disseminating education and seeking various ways to better the condition of all, down to the Chandala, through oral teachings and by means of maps, cameras, globes, and such accessories. Can't that bring forth good in time? The Parliament of Religion is being organized for this. My mind tells me so. You will see to verify at no distant date. 100 times I had a mind to go out of the country and go back to India. But I am determined. And I have a call from the above. I see no way. But his eyes see. And I must stick to my guns, life or death. Sisters and brothers of America, it fills my heart with joy unspeakable to rise in response to the warm and cordial welcome which you have given us. I am now out of want. Many of the handsomest houses in this city are open to me. I can, if I will, live here all my life in the greatest luxury. But I am a sannyasi. And India, with all thy faults, I love thee still.
মনো চলো নিজ নিকেতনে বিষয় পঞ্চক আর ভূতগণ বিষয়
জানি
পঞ্চক
আমি প্রভু তুমি সেই পুরাতন ঋষি নররূপী নারায়ণ
Such fancies may be pleasing to those who are born with a silver spoon in their mouth and have no starving relatives at home. Yes, there was a time when I too thought like that. But today, before the hard facts of life, it seems like grim mockery. Sri Ramakrishna was the only person who, ever since he met me, believed in me uniformly throughout. Even my own mother and brothers did not do so. আমি এসব পারবো না।
তুই করবি না তোর কার করবে
We shall begin a universal religion here and now. We will not wait. We will show the spirituality of the Hindus, the mercifulness of the Buddhists, the activities of the Christians, and the brotherhood of Mohammedans by our practical lives. There have been days when the mutt was without a grain of food. If the rice was collected from begging, there was no salt to take it with. I have seen this ideal man and yet fail myself to get on with anything to the end. This is my profound misery.
स्वामी जी, हमने देखा है 3 दिनों से आपने कुछ खाया नहीं, पानी तक पी नहीं।
क्या आपके पास कुछ है खाने के लिए? Our country is poor in social virtues. So is this country, lacking in spirituality. I give them spirituality and they give me money. You may perhaps think, what utopian nonsense is all this? You little know what is in me. I did not come to America for the sake of the Parliament of Religions. Who cared about the Parliament of Religions? I traveled 12 years all over India and finding no way to work for my countrymen. And that is why I came to America. My greatest fault is that I love my country only too well. While this locomotive, so huge, so immense, is only an engine, a machine. I read my Bible better in the light of your Bible. And the dark prophecies of my religion become brighter when compared with those of your prophets. The Calcutta meeting held in the honor on 5th September 1894. The president was the chief nobleman of Calcutta. And the other man, Mahesh Chandra Nyayaratna, is the principal of Sanskrit College and chief of Brahmin in all of India. By the grace of the Lord, those who look down upon us as weak and low regard me as their teacher. But there have been many nights when I could not sleep on those soft beds, thinking of the extreme poverty of my own people. I have spent nights on the floor thinking without any sleep or rest. Do you feel that millions and millions of the descendants of the gods and of sages have become next door neighbors to brutes? My hope for the future lies in the youth of character. When I was abroad, I learned how to make bombs. My plan for India, as it has been developed and centralized, is this: to reach the masses of India. Do not come here anymore if you think any task too difficult. The result of this steady, tremendous work on a Bengali constitution is diabetes. I feel my task is done. At most, 3 or 4 years of life is left.
এসেছে নতুন মানুষ দেখবি যদি আয় চলে এসেছে নতুন মানুষ দেখবি যদি আয় চলে
If this nation wants to rise, take my word for it, it will have to rally enthusiastically around his name. He is the method, that wonderful, unconscious method. Know for certain that the work done by me is not the work of Vivekananda. It is his work. If one Governor General retires, another is sure to be sent in his place by the Emperor.